Introducing Science Talks, a multidisciplinary open-access journal that is part of the Research Elements suite published by Elsevier. We contribute to open science and reproducibility by making research objects findable, accessible, and reusable. Science Talks publishes videos of presentations across all scientific disciplines. All the articles we publish are reviewed, discoverable, citable, comprehensible, reproducible, and reusable. When you publish a video of your work, you are maximizing the impact of your research by making presentations, tutorials, news and views, and reviews more discoverable, opening doors for collaboration, and sparking new lines of inquiry to enhance the research cycle. Make your mark and advance research by contributing to open science. Submit your paper to Science Talks today.